Yeah, hi, Filippo, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser and it's fully working as it should be. It's all working there, as you can see. Okay, that's your original board there. Okay, this is the board that you sent, and you can see it's got the sticker on it and some resistors there. And your old laser, of course, that's come out. Now I'm using it with a a TDA board that you've got in your overture, and it's fully working as it should be. I'll just turn it up for you, so you can see it goes up in all the tracks. You see, look there. So I'm using the same radio you got, basically. You can see there. Let's turn it down. But yeah, that's all working as it should be, my friend. So this is the board that I've replaced. Okay, I've put you another board on, a used reconditioned board that is fully working, and you can see it working now. Okay, I did take a look at the board, but the board is just got so many components on it. These are ICs, what I call ICs. Okay, they're chips. This is your software chip, which could be possibly one of the faults. And you got your TDA chips. These are TDA chips. So that's basically what they are. So yeah, if you've got any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. And again, thank you ever so much. And if you ever need anything from the UK with Bang & Olufsen, please give me a call first, and I will help you as much as I can. Thank you ever so much, and you have a great day.